Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Tech Review. Yeah, today I want to show you how you can change the screen guard of this is a Android, but same also works on iPhone. So my screen guard, as you can see, it's damaged. I just bought a new one. I want to change it for myself. So I want to show you how you are going to change and you replace the screen guard. Yeah, so this is a new one. I just bought it. Let me show you. So this is it, and it comes with the wipers. These are for cleaning. Yeah, cleaning papers. Then this is a tamper glass. Okay, so what do we need to do first? We need to remove this. Let's first remove this cover. Then we need to remove this damaged one. As you can see, it is damaged all over. So just you need to press your finger here, your nail, just like this, little. As you can see, once you press, just come like this. Also this side, slowly. It will come out slowly. Just as you can see, it's already damaged, this one all over. Yeah, so let's just replace this one. As you can see, there is a lot of dust on the screen, so we need to first clean this screen. Yeah, we need to first clean it. So I have my cloth. This is my cloth which I'm going to use to first remove this dust. You have to first clean it so that you can avoid the bubbles once you put a new screen, a new tamper glass, or what we call screen protector. Yes, so let us first clean this glass, because my screen guard has been there for quite long. So you have to ensure that you clean it, becomes clear. Then after, once you clean it and you know that it is clear now, then you can use these wipers. So these wipers, it has this one wet and dry. So you have to first use the wet one, then after you use number 2 to dry it. So let us open this, the wet one, number 1. So this is number 1. It's very wet, so let us use it to clean. Okay, once you know that it is now clean, then you can just drop this. Then you bring this number 2 for drying. Yeah, so as you see now, the screen is very dry and clean. Yeah, but still but still I have to use another cross which is more dry, so that it can wipe all my fingerprints. So I'm using this one to ensure that there is no dust which will remain on the screen. So now it is very clean. So what we are going to do, we are going to now use this. We are going to use this one to prepare this screen guard or the protector. So just touch on this one, then you remove it like this. Once you remove it, then now the task is on arranging it to the screen. So let us do that. You have to first measure and know that before you release it, I know that it can reach both ends of the screen. So here you can measure from the camera. Here on the top of the camera, it can assist you to know that you have aligned it properly. Once it is good to go, then you can release the upper part, then you come slowly coming down. But it's just missing a little. You can again change it if it it's now matching. So come from up, pushing down to avoid all the bubbles from staying to screen. So guys, as you can see now, there is no bubble in the screen, there is nothing. So guys, you see there is no bubble in the screen. Now it is clear. Now you can just push it a little to make it more stick. So as you can see on the edges, it is very clear on the edges, even down on the edges. So you have to make sure that here on the edges it does not cross. Also this side does not cross. Also when you check here, see the edges, it's not crossing the edges. Yes, so this is the way how you can fix it. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.